Estimating and measuring surface area. My objective. My objective is to teach you how to measure area without a problem. At the end of the video, you will learn how to measure area properly. Explanation. Area is the measure of a figure's surface. Measure the area to calculate the surface of a stage, a screen, a wall, a floor, etc. Common units of measure are kilometers squared, meters squared, and centimeters squared. Reminder. To calculate the area of a figure, count the number of units that cover a surface. For example, the area of this figure is 4 square units or 8 triangular units. So what they mean by this is, let's say you take away these little lines. These little lines in the middle of each square, so you take them away. If you take them away, you'll be left with 1, 2, 3, 4 squares altogether. But if you take it back, you see that there's triangles within it. So there's 8 triangles in all, but if you put 2 triangles together, it creates a square. So 4 square units and 8 triangular units. The problem. Do you know how to properly calculate area? If you don't, then I'm here to teach you. So, as you see here, this is a square. This is the length and this is the width of the square. The length is 3 centimeters and the width is also 3 centimeters, which makes it a perfect square. Because you have 3 centimeters here, and if it's a perfect square, you also have to have 3 centimeters here. You have 3 centimeters here, and you also have to have 3 centimeters here. So now, I'm going to properly teach you how to do it. So, what you have to do is you have to do length times width. So, what you're going to do is you're going to do length, which is 3 centimeters. And then you're going to take the other 3 centimeters, so times 3 centimeters equals, so 3 times 3 is 9, equals 9 centimeters squared. And you put the squared because it's the area. You don't put the squared for the perimeter because it's a perimeter and you don't need the squared. The problem. So this time this problem is going to be a little bit more complicated. We are going to read the problem, then we're going to solve it. So let's read the problem. The width of a rectangle is 3 centimeters. Its length is equivalent to double its width. What is the entire area of the rectangle? So we know that the width of the rectangle is 3 centimeters. So, and its length is double it. So you could either do 3 plus 3, which equals 6, or you could do 3 times 2, which equals 6. So here is my rectangle. It's not the best thing in the world, but it works. Okay. So what you're going to have to do is you can either take really slow and count all the little squares inside my rectangle, or you can do it the fast way and do multiplication. So what you're going to do is you do length times width again. So 3 times 6 equals, so 3 centimeters, I forgot to put a centimeter, centimeters. So yeah, so 3 centimeters plus 6 centimeters equals 18, that doesn't look like 8, but it's 18 centimeters squared. We have to put squared because it's the area, not the perimeter. What you learned. So in this video, you learned how to calculate area properly.